And we're back in the boat. Today, let's clean this up. Let's get back again. It feels like it's been so long since we've actually worked on the boat. I got a couple of days. Oh, there's so many muzzies. Oh wow, it's full of muzzies. Literally full of muzzies. I need to get some spray. This is ridiculous. I'm already getting attacked. Okay, I gotta get out of here. We just whipped down the shops. Tropical strength. See how this goes. We'll leave this one at the boat, I reckon. But got some buckets. Let's clean it out. Let's do it. Oh, okay. That's looking a lot better. What we're going to do from now on as well, I really want to clean it out like this. So you can see, we've got it down to pretty clean. A little bit of crap, but nothing too major. Drained around that. You might have seen just a little bit of excess fuel come out of this as well, so I had it right on that tiny corner, so there's a tiny little amount of old fuel in there. But you know, we'll mix that up with new fuel when we get to it and she'll be fine. It's had a good swish and a couple of drains, so hopefully that got the last of it. Yeah, we might even give it another good swish and a final drain in the end. So what we need to focus on now is just trying to finish up sealing it all up. We don't want crap coming in anymore. This is looking great in here, but we need to do that half and get that fitted on. We need to fit the Samson post so we can seal up all that end. And I've been thinking, guys, about my structure to go, my mast support structure that's to come around here, and I'm thinking that it's going to be too much trouble, too much work. I can't find a marine engineer anywhere that's going to give me a yay or nay on a design for the structure that I want to do around here. So I'm left with no choice but to put some sort of support pole in, and the support pole is going to have to come as far back as we can possibly get it as our support post, and then that's going to have to come straight down into the floor, into the keel, straight down into the keel, and then there's going to be a post in the bed. Now, I don't think that's too much of a drama really, because on this side of the bed, one person can lie with their legs on that side of the post, and one person lie on this side of the post. And like as one of you commented on the previous video when I was talking about this, what's wrong with having a post near your legs? It makes you feel like you're on a boat. I like that, and yeah, well, it'll make you feel like you're on a boat. So let's look at doing that as well. But first things first that we need to do is seal up the deck, finally get all that sealed up and finished. We've got a good start on all of that up there. The structure in here is looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how it's all fitting off, and you know, we've got to get all this finished inside, but let's seal it up now that we're in a spot where leaves and stuff can get in it, and dirt and twigs and whatever. So we want to get rid of that. Let's plus I've also got a big tarp, and what I'm going to do at the end of every day, at the end of today especially, is throw a big tarp over the top, and we'll just throw it over as a bit of protection, and that way we've got stopping stuff from filling up inside while we finish the outside, eh? That sounds like a good plan. Yep. Too much. Well, let's do a couple more of those. Let that set. Blue. That's pulling all that down. That's good. Lay it down, lay it down. So we've just filled the side up with a heap of resin and fiberglass. Let's let that bit settle, and then we're going to do a final wrap over the edge with the fiberglass anyway. We're going to do a final one that wraps over the top of the whole lot, just to really finish that edge off and seal it up nicely on both sides. So I've only got a couple of holes areas that I want to fill up here. And this side, there's a few more holes. So we've got them nearly there, nearly there. Now these Samson post supports, we've got some thick epoxy glue that we're going to be using in there. At the moment, I've just taken the posts out, the dowels, We've also got a couple of plates, one on either side, that we're running some M14 bolts through. So nice, big, solid, chunky, heavy-duty bolts. Now we're just going to let these dry out for the next couple of days before we can refit our dowels in with the epoxy glue. So we've given them a clean out, got all the water out of there. Let's let them dry out. I've got some epoxy glue in there. All right, this is looking great.